Welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. How are you? In this video I will show you the live price predictions. The price change goes in a XRP Ripple coin. What is the current status of XRP Ripple coin in a cryptocurrencies market? So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates videos notification. So friends, first of all we look the price predictions of the XRP Ripple coin of the last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction. That is the current change occur in the XRP Ripple coin you are watching live, friends. So friends, if we look the average change occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, so the average change is positive 1.81% change occurs in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is $1.38 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, friends. So friends, the graph tells us that it is a good time, it is a good jumping period of the XRP Ripple coin or starts now, and now currently at this time they are also in the jumping mode. So friends, now let's see the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 4 hour in the XRP Ripple coin? So friends, as you can see now on the screen, friends, that is a live price predictions of the last 4 hour price predictions. The change occur in the 4 hour in the last 4 hour is positive 1.82%, and the high price is dollars $1.38 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 4 hour period. So friends, as you can see here, that is the same that now in the last 2 hours they take a jump, and as you can see here, the previous hours they fast down for a little time, but the whole chain, as you can see here, there is a positive. So friends, that is the last 4 hour price predictions. Now for more details, let's check it out the last 1 day price predictions of the XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, the last 1 day price predictions of the XRP Ripple coin is in whole positive 0.05% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the previous last 1 day, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin is $1.41 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin. So friends, if we look at this time, the currently change occur in the XRP Ripple coin as a very high, as you can see here. Unfortunately, the period of XRP Ripple coin are fast down. That is why the chain is less positive, friends. So friends, according to the price predictions of the last 1 hour, last 4 hour, in last 1 day, the changes are in positive. That is why my suggestion for all of XRP Ripple coin holders, that please hold your XRP Ripple coin with the last of this month. And what's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.